Hey guys, Dennis here. Wanted to stop by and give you a little update on our brand new model for 2019. This is called the Ghost. This is 2,000 watts of pure fun. 60 volts, 20 amp hour battery. You've got front and rear shocks. You've got disc brakes. You've got cruise control. You've got 3-speed. You can have a Bluetooth speaker. You can have drink holder, phone holders, all of the extras. Very, very, very comfortable to ride. We love it. It's got foot pegs. I customize them. I can do any kind of customization you want on them. Bring me up, stop by and see me, and we'll set up a demo for you to take a quick ride. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.